have... Don't do that. I have a handful of bouncy balls that I'm going to throw up in the fan, and they're going to ricochet everywhere. Okay? Here you go. And now, you're going to take a softball and a bouncy ball. Ready? We're just being retarded right now.
Ow!
Watch my dreidel skills. Ready? Oh, you wish you could do that.
Oh yes. Don't we all? Nuh-uh. It's going up to like 97.
Is it still recording?
Yes.
I'm throwing the dreidel in the bag.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Can I turn it off?